Welcome back to our channel, where the ordinary becomes extraordinary. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of groundbreaking machines that transform tough tasks into child's play. From railways to construction sites, these mechanical marvels are rewriting the rules. So, buckle up and get ready for an inspiring journey. But hold on, can you guess what the machines we're showcasing today can do? Well, there's only one way to find out. Stick around till the end and prepare to be amazed. Behold an extraordinary piece of machinery capable of substituting an entire crew of seasoned professionals during road maintenance. This revolutionary machine, the Pothole Pro, from the UK's JCB, supplants the need for a trio of different devices, dramatically speeding up road repairs like never before. Its functions encompass multiple stages of pothole mending. The first involves trimming excess asphalt around the pothole's periphery. Its elongated blades provide impeccably smooth cuts, enhancing the overall repair quality. Next, it ensures the worksite is clean and ready for a fresh layer of asphalt. Unwanted old material is swept away using a built-in bucket or a rotary brush. Remarkably, there's no need for the operator to switch attachments, as the torch, brush, and bucket are ingeniously amalgamated into one apparatus. What's more, the built-in dust suppression system helps to minimize the amount of fine particulate matter airborne, making it apt for operations in crowded locales. Importantly, throughout the operation, the operator remains comfortably seated in the cab. This reduction in on-site personnel enhances safety by minimizing unnecessary hazards. Additionally, it reduces operator fatigue and boosts productivity as they work in an ergonomically favorable position. Furthermore, the likelihood of vibration sickness, a common issue with traditional repair methods, is significantly diminished. Mining tunneling operations invariably present a multitude of complexities and subtle details. It is vital that these intricacies do not impede productivity. Thus, a diverse array of machines are constructed specifically to address these challenges, ensuring that there's an optimal model for every circumstance. One such marvel of engineering is the DD212 drill rig, developed by the renowned Swedish company, Sandvik. This machine is ingeniously designed to operate in tight, confined spaces. Its maneuverability and dependability, along with a minimalistic footprint, empower it to navigate through even the most constricting tunnels. Fully assembled, the machine's height and width do not exceed 2.5 meters, a testament to its compact design. Moreover, the DD212 drill rig can be swiftly prepared for action in just a matter of minutes. It comes equipped with intelligent internal systems, offering dual advantages. On one hand, these systems facilitate the extraction of up to 3% of material in each pass. On the other hand, they mitigate wear and tear on the tools, thereby significantly extending their lifespan. Have you ever pondered about the machinery that tackles the muckiest tasks, such as working within landfills? The answer to your curiosity lies within this next model. The 826K, a distinct highly specialized machine crafted by the American company, Caterpillar, is explicitly designed for landfill operations, earning it the designation of a landfill compactor. The fascinating aspect about the design of such machines is that they are subject to enhanced standards. Landfill tasks come with a multitude of risks, thereby necessitating the robust protection of all internal components. Specially designed elements extend the service life of these systems by preventing the intrusion and trapping of debris, chemicals, and other hazardous materials. One feature that deserves specific attention is the unconventional wheel design. On one side, they are equipped with deflecting bars to keep them free of debris. On the other side, they house special cams responsible for compacting waste as the machine moves. And of course, the comfort and safety of the operator weren't overlooked. The operator works within a sound-insulated cabin, furnished with an exceptional air filtration system, ensuring a safe and comfortable work environment. For For countless years, when it came to prepping rocks for excavation or preparing a construction site, workers typically relied on drilling and blasting. Today, however, that paradigm is gradually shifting. New technologies are emerging, offering much more efficient methods to handle such tasks. Let's turn our attention to the T1255 SEM, an excavation machine from the American company Vermeer. The machine features a cutting drum with large, sharp teeth, which meticulously grinds the soil horizontally, layer by layer. Simultaneously, the operator has access to a comprehensive GPS map, highlighting all the areas where the excavation is required, providing a clear roadmap of the work ahead. The T1255 SEM performs tasks with effortless mastery, tasks that once required intricate, detailed project plans and the implementation of a variety of techniques. But the advantages of the T1255 SEM don't end there. This machine reduces rock into small fragments of no more than 10 centimeters, simplifying their collection. It's worth noting that the machine operates in reverse. This unique method of excavation minimizes wear on the drum's teeth and consumes less power than it would moving forward, showcasing an intelligent balance of effectiveness and efficiency. At first glance, this formidable machine might seem like a destructive force, but it's far from it. The bucket mouth TSG1000 is a tractor equipped with a unique attachment specifically designed for mulching. This mulching implement features a drum adorned with numerous spikes, configured in a spiral pattern. As it rotates at high speed, it efficiently shreds and eradicates any vegetation that crosses its path, making it an invaluable asset for land clearing operations. Capable of tackling both small bushes and large stumps up to 60 centimeters in diameter and a meter in height, the tool also burrows into the ground up to a depth of 30 centimeters. Despite its painstaking work, the bucket mouth TSG1000 still manages to move at a brisk pace of 2.5 kilometers per hour. The performance of the bucket mouth TSG1000 is nothing short of astounding. In just a single hour of operation, it's capable of thoroughly clearing 1.5 hectares of land. Without this particular vehicle, the construction of Roman-style arches would continue to demand the same extensive time and effort as it did in ancient times. Today, a specially modified truck exists that enables the creation of tunnels at an impressive speed of about 18 meters per hour. How does it manage this? The process is actually quite straightforward. The rear of this machine has been adapted to feature a curved arch, studded with numerous rollers. This arch provides a robust support around which builders construct the tunnel. Once all the blocks have been meticulously arranged and the structure assumes its own weight, the vehicle gently pulls away from the arch. This is where the rollers demonstrate their value. They decrease friction against the surface of the tunnel and assist in preventing any potential damage. This marvel of modern engineering simplifies a historically labor-intensive process, revolutionizing the construction of arches. The key characteristic of this machine lies in its ability to traverse both railroad tracks and standard roads. This dual mobility feature is the cornerstone of the design of the 216 MRIL excavator, developed by French specialists at MACALAC and specifically tailored for railway-related tasks. This machine adeptly performs a variety of functions in the railway domain. It excavates and replaces sleepers, lays new ones, lifts rails, clears gravel, and trims obstructing bushes and other vegetation. In addition, its unique undercarriage design boosts productivity, making it a truly versatile piece of machinery. Despite boasting a hefty total operating weight exceeding 20 tons, the 216 MRIL impresses with its speed, reaching up to 30 kilometers per hour on the tracks. It is an outstanding example of the merging of power, precision, and agility in railway maintenance technology. Our video's final marvel today is another machine crafted specifically for the railway industry, albeit with a significantly more crucial and complex mission: laying new tracks. The RUS 1000's multimeter model, a product of the Austrian company Swetelski, may seem quite sizable. However, its considerable dimensions are well justified due to its vast array of capabilities. This dynamic machine can undertake the complete process of constructing or refurbishing a railway. As it moves continuously, it removes the old ballast and replaces it with new if required, installs sleepers, and even secures the rails to them. Finally, tamping is performed, ensuring the new track is instantly operational. Naturally, this multifaceted procedure significantly accelerates the work. Every hour, the RUS 1000 lays down over 200 meters of fresh track. It's worth noting that even though the machinery is long, its slim design means it only occupies a single track. Consequently, even while it's operating, the adjacent railroad track can function as normal. This careful design epitomizes efficient use of space, facilitating continuous operation even during construction or repair. Well, that's a wrap for today's exciting journey into the world of extraordinary machines and their exceptional abilities. Each one of these mechanical marvels has their unique role, transforming tasks that once seemed formidable into a walk in the park. Before we sign off, remember to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. If you enjoyed what you've watched today, don't forget to leave a like and share with your friends. Your engagement drives us to explore more and bring you the most interesting content from the universe of innovation. Have any thoughts or questions about today's video? Feel free to drop a comment below. We always love to hear what you think, and who knows, your suggestion might be the topic of our next video. As always, thank you for your support and for being a part of our YouTube community. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and remember that the future is just around the corner.